This galaxy is over 13 billion years old. The Milky Way isn't just a swirl of stars shimmering in the night sky, it's a living time capsule of the universe itself. Every speck of light, every faint glow of dust, and every hidden cluster of stars tells a story written across billions of years. Long before humans looked up and named constellations, long before Earth even existed, the Milky Way was forming. It began as massive clouds of hydrogen and helium gas left over from the Big Bang, raw material drifting through the newborn universe. Slowly, gravity worked its magic, pulling those clouds together. Over time, those clumps ignited into the first generation of stars. Massive, short-lived, and incredibly bright, these early stars lived fast and died young, exploding in supernovas that scattered heavier elements, carbon, oxygen, iron, across space. Those same elements would eventually form new stars, planets, and us. In a way, we are made of the Milky Way's recycled stardust. Pause on that for a second. Every atom in your body, your bones, your blood, your brain, was forged in the heart of an ancient star that once burned bright in this very galaxy. You are literally part of the Milky Way's history. But here's the surprise. Our galaxy is just one of billions that fill the universe. Imagine standing on a beach made of galaxies instead of sand, each one a sprawling collection of stars, worlds, and mysteries. Yet out of all of them, the Milky Way stands out for one reason: it's home. Think about how tiny our solar system is compared to the galaxy that cradles it. If the Milky Way were the size of the United States, our entire solar system would be smaller than a coin sitting on the map. And within that tiny coin, there's us, humans, pondering where we came from and where we're going. Our solar system lies on one of the galaxy's spiral arms, about 27,000 light years from the center. That means the light from the heart of the Milky Way takes 27,000 years just to reach us. So when you look at the glowing streak of stars stretching across the night sky, you're not seeing it as it is. You're seeing it as it was tens of thousands of years ago. That's the magic of space. Every glance into the night is a glimpse into the past. Now for a cosmic twist, the Milky Way isn't still. It's constantly moving, evolving, shifting. Stars orbit the galactic center at incredible speeds. Our entire solar system is hurtling through space at about 500,000 miles per hour. Yet everything feels still from our tiny perspective on Earth. And here's the part that blows people's minds. The Milky Way itself is on a collision course. Our neighboring galaxy Andromeda is moving toward us at about 250,000 miles per hour. In roughly 4.5 billion years, these two massive galaxies will collide and merge. You might imagine chaos, stars smashing into stars, but space is mostly empty. Instead of destruction, this cosmic dance will be more like a slow-motion ballet. Stars will be tossed into new orbits. Nebulas will stretch and swirl. The black holes at the centers of both galaxies will spiral together and eventually merge into one supermassive black hole. The result? A new galaxy, more majestic than either of its predecessors. Astronomers already have a name for it: Milky, a blend of the Milky Way and Andromeda. Now here's the question. Will Earth still be around when that happens? Probably not. The sun will likely have expanded into a red giant by then, transforming our solar system completely. But that doesn't make the story any less beautiful. It reminds us that the universe never stops creating, changing, or evolving, just like us. Right now, every star you see at night is part of this grand cosmic story. Some are ancient relics, billions of years old. Others are newborns just lighting up their surroundings. And surrounding all of them, shaping everything we can't see, is one of the greatest mysteries in modern science: dark matter. Dark matter doesn't emit light, doesn't absorb it, and doesn't reflect it. It's invisible, but its gravity is powerful enough to hold galaxies together. Without dark matter, the Milky Way would have flown apart long ago. Scientists estimate that around 85% of the Milky Way's mass is made of this unseen material. What it actually is, though, remains one of the biggest unanswered questions in astrophysics. We can't touch it or detect it directly, but we see its fingerprints everywhere, in the way galaxies spin, in how light bends as it travels through space, even in the formation of galaxy clusters billions of light years away. It's a constant reminder that there's far more to the universe than we can perceive. And that brings us to something deeply profound: the rarity of life. Amid all this cosmic vastness, our little corner of the galaxy seems uniquely suited for it. Earth orbits in the perfect zone, not too hot, not too cold, around a stable star in a relatively calm region of the Milky Way. We're far enough from the violent galactic core, but close enough to neighboring stars to benefit from the elements they've produced. Scientists have found thousands of exoplanets, planets orbiting other stars, and a few may even be Earth-like. But so far, no other world has revealed the unmistakable signature of life. That silence makes our existence even more extraordinary. So when you look up at the Milky Way on a clear night, remember, you're not just seeing stars, you're witnessing history. You're looking at the very cradle that created you. Every photon of starlight that reaches your eyes has traveled unimaginable distances, sometimes across billions of years, just to be seen by you, right here, right now. Imagine this: the light from some of those stars started its journey when early humans were carving tools from stone. Other light left its source before dinosaurs ever roamed Earth. Some even began traveling before Earth itself had formed. That's how ancient and interconnected our galaxy truly is. It's humbling, but it's also empowering, because it means we belong to something so vast and intricate that even our imagination struggles to contain it. And yet, in this infinite ocean of stars, we're capable of understanding, exploring, and even predicting what comes next. Humanity has sent probes beyond our solar system, telescopes that capture the faintest glimmers of light from the edge of the observable universe, and scientists who can trace our galactic ancestry back to the dawn of time. That's the spirit of discovery that defines us, and the Milky Way is our greatest teacher. So the next time you step outside at night, take a deep breath and look up. Every sparkle above you is a reminder that you are part of a 13.6 billion-year-old masterpiece of cosmic evolution. From the smallest atom in your body to the grandest spiral arm of our galaxy, it's all connected. The Milky Way isn't just our home, it's our origin story, our cosmic neighborhood, and our future destiny. And who knows, somewhere out there, orbiting another star, another being might be looking up at their sky, wondering about the same questions, marveling at the same beauty, and feeling the same sense of awe. We may be tiny, but we are aware, and that makes our existence in this galaxy not just rare, but remarkable. So, as you gaze at the stars tonight, remember, every shimmer in the sky is a chapter of the Milky Way's ongoing story, and every one of us is part of that story, whether we realize it or not. Subscribe for more critically evolved cosmic wonders by Kyle, where curiosity meets the infinite. And tell me in the comments, when's the last time you looked up and truly felt small in the best way possible? Or maybe, when did you last see a shooting star? Deuces.